Hi, I'm Haspa with WTI.
And so this is one of the things that I didn't realize I'd use this much, and it's the blurams 2K security camera. I love how compact it is. It is so discreet, and I can place it on a shelf, which is where I have it, or hang it on the wall, and it blends right into my home without affecting my aesthetics at all. And the delay of the camera is minimal, which makes a huge difference because when I open the app, I can see what's happening almost instantly. I mainly use it to watch my dog when I'm not home, especially because he tends to misbehave, and I like knowing exactly what he does when I'm gone. And one of my favorite features of this camera is the alarm. If he's doing something he shouldn't be doing, I can trigger the siren to alert him right away. Also, the 360-degree rotation lets me see the entire room from my phone. There are no blind spots, and yes, I even catch him sleeping sometimes. And the two-way audio is great because I can talk to him so he knows I'm watching, or even talk to whoever is home by making a call through the camera. And that's a very cool feature. It's simple, smart, and gives me real peace of mind when I'm away. So I highly recommend this camera.
And that's my point of view.